It's a Chucky size 11.6, and this is the design. Here you can see I show the chain very close to the camera. Then you see it's big size, and I'm here to show you the quality. You can see the chain quality is good. It's stainless steel with vacuum plating, and then here the size you can find is not so much thick, but the size is beautiful here. And I'm going to use this one to making a necklace and a bracelet set. First necklace, for most of the necklace, the size will be the size 16 inch or 18 inch. Here I make it in 17. Yeah, not too much big, not too much small. So in 17, middle one. So here the chain. Okay, use the cutting plier to open the space of the link and tight. Here. Okay, so here the chain we cut. Can you use the square chain you used for ring in a necklace design too? This one for necklace, I'm going to show you. Okay, yeah, here, this way. Then I will use a piece of the flower charm. Yeah, we can put with a cute piece of the flower, and let's attach with a toggle clasp. Thank you. Yes. Okay, we're going to use chain link. Then we're going to use toggle clasp. This time the toggle clasp, I will do it like this. Here, toggle. And we use the jump ring. Okay, actually 2 pieces is enough. Okay, 2 pieces the middle size jump ring here. Then let's attach. This one open. I'm here attach the piece of the chain with this clasp like this. Yeah. This is the way that I close it. We can close like this, and this part touch the flower. This is another way to use the toggle clasp. Not must be with the loop part, just a different way. Okay. Then this one, we need one more jump ring. One more jump ring here. Here, this one. See, the quality, never worry about it. Jump ring. The jump ring, how to open and close. Put beads on center of the flower pendant. This one, if you want to put the beads here, I think we can glue. Can be glue. Yeah, use the AB glue to glue it. Last time we glued the beads on the chain. Flower chain, and this one, if you want, you can glue. Yeah, can be glue, or not must be the pro beads, or you can use a diamond on the top. Yeah, I have some diamond like this. I show you. I was thinking we can use the rhinestone also. For example, use this. It's work. Here, use glue to do it like this. Okay. So, and the back is here. The back. Yeah, you can, if you want, you can try. Here the size I should use is the 6.5. Yeah, 6 millimeter also work. Yeah, the beads, if you want, here I use is the 6.5, and you can DIY like this here. But here I'm not going to glue it, just to let idea show you. Yeah, we can use the AB glue to glue it. Okay. Okay. Yes, and here the piece of the plier put at 3 o'clock. And another side 9 o'clock inside this jumping tool. Yeah. Open here. Attach it. And we can attach the flower at the loop of this toggle clasp is here. Then it's the way. Then let's shoot on the model. A very simple, obvious lady necklace. So it's this way.